Yay, I can finally say something. Okay. This level's amazing. Honestly. Jesus, an hour 30 minutes of just playtime. That's not even me going to eat dinner. Okay. Yeah, I'll just leave this in for a message for the video. This level's really fun. I got super unlucky with the ending, as you can see from the 381 attempts. But honestly, I really enjoyed this level. If I had gotten luckier than I did, this would honestly be a 10 out of 10 enjoyment rating for me. So, yeah. In total attempts, round up to 2,895. Maybe. I don't know. These numbers are very different.